Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. Two you might have seen before because they did debut a long time ago, in fact almost 2 years ago I think, on HSN. And that is our Owl Fold-it. Yes, he's finally back. I know a lot of you have been asking for him for a long time. He's finally back. And the Christmas Tree Fold-it. The Christmas Tree Fold-it has been on our website before. It has been, but I haven't really talked about it yet, and I have a couple samples to share with you, but that owl is the one I'm really excited about. Now, I've also released the die word thanks with a shadow. Perfect for slimline cards, ladies. Look at how fun that is, and we all love the vertical. And another item for Slimline, I'm calling this mismatched squares. So this is going to die cut the square, and it also has a layering die, which is really fun. So you're getting so there's really 4 big die. 1 big die and 3 little square dies in this one. Now, let me share with you my samples. Here is a cute one using the thanks, and this is using the stitched windows Slimline, but this is using that gorgeous thanks. Here's another one using that fun thanks, and here's another one. So you could do it on slimline cards, or it's also designed to work on regular A2 size cards. The choice is yours. So it's very, very versatile. Then that mismatched square is fun, and it's kind of hard to see on this card, but you have one there, and one there, and it die cuts the window, okay? And then it also adds those layering dice. So this designer, who made this one? Leslie did this one. This is awesome. And she added the extra little layering dies like that. Really fun. Now, great for this way or this way. You decide. She decided it was going to go this way because she did the inside, but it could go both ways, which is really fun. Now, let's look at our Christmas tree, so then we'll save our owl for last. Here is our cute little Christmas tree with our Merry Christmas bold. So fun. Now, the Christmas tree and the owl both are fold-its. That means it is going to give you an A2 size envelope, unless you add extra like this one, because there's our cute little polar bear. We love him, don't we? Now, let's look at our owl, because our owl is all about fun, fun, fun. Here's a birthday owl. Here's a graduation owl. Here is a fall owl. Here is another graduation owl. Here is a birthday owl. Here is a fall / birthday owl. Here is an everyday owl. Look how cute his little legs are. I love his little legs. Here is a fall owl. Oh, that lost a leg in all his travels, because this one was at HSN 2 years ago, and now look at he's here right now with a fun pumpkin. Here is a school owl with a chalkboard and a cute little apple. Here's a pink one, because you can always have a pink one, right? I have told you I had lots. Here's another fall. Here's another thank you fall. Here's another I will always love you card. Here's a spring greetings. And here is an everyday. Let me tell you, that owl you're going to use all the time, year round. So much fun. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, you need to join. What are you waiting for? It's only $11.95 a month. That includes a brand new stamp set, and that also means you get a 15% discount off of everything on our website. Wait, did I say everything? Yes, everything. Machines, adhesive, dies, stamps, ink pads, blocks, everything. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and guess what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye.